guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to PSCA number 4. Oh, it's a bittersweet day. So it's technically the last PSCA on the mountain before Bandimere closes. So we were up here for the day test yesterday, and they're supposed to be qualifying 1 and 2 yesterday. But unfortunately, Mother Nature decided she had other plans and rained us out. So we were able to get 4 test passes in yesterday, and we actually ran a PB yesterday, which I'll pick up the time slip. But we did some in-car footage and stuff, and I think we actually we got the pass on camera, but I didn't really talk too much on the camera yesterday, so I just focused on trying to get the car dialed in. I mean, we had probably one of the best 60 foots we've had with the car so far, is like a 1.45, if I remember right. I'll have to look at the slip again. But still trying to get the slipper dialed in, still trying to put enough power in this car to get it to leave, and I think that's just a trick, because we got to put more power into it. So anyways, we're up here Saturday, PSCA, last day, so hopefully we're going to get 2 qualifying passes. They said 1 for sure. Depending on how the schedule and the day goes, we may get 2, but it may be 1 qualifying pass and then into elimination. So just going to try to make this number with this first one the best one. We're going to give it some power, turn it up, and see if we can, dip it to the 8s and set a pretty good qualifier in case we don't get a second one. So yeah, so stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and then yeah, we'll kick the cameras back on when it's time to race. Almost an 8.6. Look at that 60-foot baby.
Oh, way better.
We came out.
Yeah,
we came out.
We came out.
Oh, let's go. We buried that shit. We went from a 9.0 to an 8.7. Let's go. Whew. I'm a little shaky.
Me too.
Let's go. Oh man. Whew. All right, boys. We got the 8-second pass. We're a little shaky. Not too bad though. But finally, the car wants more power. It just wants more power to leave. At 60 foot, it's the very first 1.3 60 foot we've ever had, and I think we can improve on it. We'll have to look at the video and see if it's spinning or anything. But I mean, now it's just repeating that and putting more power in the top end. I knew Derek. I got out on him, but I knew he was going to come past me. But anyways, just qualifying. So that was a great qualifier. That should put us at a great spot for qualifier. They did announce they were going to get a second qualifier. So we'll get the car cooled down, check out some data, and then yeah, we'll get ready for the second qualifier. So got that 8.7 finally. 8.7 finally. Woo! backed up our 8.7 pass with another 8.7 pass. So
8.70 with the 6.
yeah, the 60 foot was a little worse. So that should have been an 8.6 pass, but the 60 foot was a little worse. We'll pull the log. We'll pull the log. I put more boost in it, but I didn't really feel like I put more boost in it. So we'll check the log and see how it went. But hey, back-to-back passes. We do have an issue though. Both passes, I didn't put the slipper valve on. So that was just me preloading it and slipping it.
Did we even do it now?
No.
I'm saying now.
So, because as I was pulling up to the burnout box, I said I'm not doing a burnout, but I was like checking my stuff and I was like, oh shit, I didn't turn the slipper valve on last pass. So
I found there's enough power to pull it out of it.
yeah, how did that launch look? Did it spin? Did it?
It was kind of slow.
Did I slip the clutch too much? Maybe.
It wasn't.
I wonder. It was only 1/4, so something. I must have slipped the clutch a little bit too much.
I think it spun a little bit.
Did we spin?
I think it spun a little bit.
Obvious car, bro. That thing, his numbers look identical to mine, and then he.
Yeah, you're tired. There's a little bit of spinach. Not a whole lot, but.
It's still left though.
Yeah, no, still left good. Still left good.
So I almost wonder. I wonder if we do need to drop the tire pressure a little bit. So we'll figure that out. We'll talk.
Maybe a half pound.
Yeah, maybe half pound. So scratch that slipper. All I needed was more power. I don't even know if the clutch matters at this point now with how much power we're putting into it. But hey, it's working. Back-to-back 8.7 second passes. We'll look at the boost. We'll see if the boost was there. I mean, it should have went faster on the back half, but we'll see. So we'll check in a little bit.
Elimination's won by pass.
Kevin is like my arch nemesis. He keeps taking us out. Unfortunately we lost that round. Looks like, I think the clutch, I'm pretty sure the clutch was just slipping. It was just blowing through the clutch, which sucks. So now it's like, with learning the twin disc, it's like I want to step up back to the triple disc now. Like, we had 2 good launches on this clutch like this, and now it's fucking... But we turned from racers to spectators, so still lots of good racing left. And I mean, it's tough not to be mad, but it sucks. But hey, we ran 2 8.7s. The car did what it was supposed to do. Well, it should go faster, but so I don't know. We still got a couple months left in the season, so we'll for sure get the clutch situation figured out, and we'll be back up here to run that record and just see if we can go quicker than an 8.5. So, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share it. Catch you guys on the next one.